Oh, well, you could film this if somebody wanted to see it.
Yeah, I did.
Is it gone?
Huh? Yeah.
They can hear us?
Huh? Yeah. No, but I cut stuff out. If say we're filming, she comes in here and talks to you, I have to cut that out. I cut out anything right now, I have to cut this out. I took a video of the tools and the door. Need here, close up on the door.
You know, they call us the Bay Area's rock station.
What would this be called?
This is an interior pair door pack knockdown. Knockdown pair.
Okay.
Have to assemble it first. This is the head for it. Ball catch prep. Lay this down. Going to nail it together. Something's trying to cut my leg open here. Yeah.
Ah, I smell propane.
Yeah. Remove the stops. Frame legs only.
Oh.
These stops are nailed in temporarily to be removed by the installer before installing, and then nail back on later. These are just little door shoes for shipping. Protect the bottoms of the doors.
in today and take advantage of our specials on O'Reilly Fuel Injector Cleaner or Octane Booster. Buy one at $2.49 and get one free. Each of these easy-to-use products is perfect for
If you need help, I can help you out.
and a buy one, get one free
Yeah, this is a little tricky with a pair, but it can be done. Set it in the hole.
Pull the back out a little bit.
Yeah. I'm gonna need the Sawzall.
Sawzall.
Actually, what's going on here?
Shoot, I forgot what Sawzall was.
Yeah, that's the problem. I'm gonna end up having to cut these a lot shorter. They're replacing the carpet, so I'm not worried about the carpet. This door is an opening. Open doors. That holds it in place. I don't have a shim bucket, not even ready here. Bucket of shims here. Oh yeah. It'll be alright.
Okay.
Good. Where's the orange gun? Okay, raise door up as far as we can. Hopefully we don't have to cut the doors at the bottom later, but if we have to, we can. Tack it in. Get 2 nails for him.
I'm gonna go on the inside. Or I'll wait. Carry the foot pedal.
Pry bar.
Yeah, I know. Exactly. Foot pedal.
Okay. When your door's closed, so you may want to be on this side, I don't know. I'm gonna have to put a screw into these to see if I can open them once I get them closed. Level.
Oh,
Blue level never made it
I
over here?
don't think so.
Yeah, I need it.
All right.
Installing temporary knob. Open. Okay, that's better, but not good enough. Take. That out. You see, we're getting closer. See right here? That's where we're zeroing in on right now. Oh, tap this a little more this way. Yeah, a little more out. These walls are way out, obviously. Not terrible there. What's going on here? Well, it is what it is, I guess. Check the plumb this way. Pretty good. There. That's not too shabby. Yeah, it's fully flush there now. Yeah. Alright. Got a little window out for our shim. In other words, clear the sheetrock away. This gap right here I have to close up a little tighter.